Welcome back to our channel where we explore all things fashion and style. In today's video, we're diving into the world of comfortable Mary Jane footwear. Mary Jane shoes are beloved for their timeless appeal, feminine charm, and most importantly, their exceptional comfort. Let's explore the joys of Mary Jane footwear, their versatility, and how to effortlessly combine comfort and style in your everyday outfits. Before we start, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Mary Jane shoes have stood the test of time and continue to captivate with their classic and feminine design. These shoes typically feature a closed toe, a low heel, and a strap across the instep, fastened with a buckle or button. This iconic style has remained popular throughout the years due to its combination of comfort and timeless charm. One of the standout features of Mary Jane footwear is their remarkable comfort. With their low heels and secure straps, these shoes offer stability and support, making them ideal for long hours of wear. The enclosed toe provides protection, while the adjustable straps ensure a customized fit. Whether you're running errands, attending a work event, or exploring the city, Mary Janes keep you comfortable and stylish all day long. Mary Jane footwear is highly versatile and can be seamlessly incorporated into a variety of outfits. Their classic design allows them to complement both casual and more formal ensembles. For a casual look, pair Mary Janes with jeans, a flowy blouse, and a cardigan for a relaxed yet put-together vibe. To elevate your office attire, style them with tailored trousers, a blouse, and a blazer for a professional and chic ensemble. Mary Janes can even be worn with dresses or skirts to add a touch of sweetness and femininity. Creating chic everyday outfits with Mary Jane footwear is a breeze. Embrace a casual chic aesthetic by pairing them with a simple t-shirt, high-waisted jeans, and a statement belt. Add a structured bag and minimal accessories to complete the look. For a more polished ensemble, opt for a midi skirt, a tucked-in blouse, and a cropped jacket. Mary Janes effortlessly blend comfort and style, allowing you to conquer your day with confidence. Mary Jane shoes have a nostalgic charm that harkens back to retro styles. Embrace this vintage flair by pairing them with A-line dresses, circle skirts, or wide-legged trousers. Add a fitted cardigan or a cropped jacket to complete the retro-inspired look. Mary Janes instantly add a touch of elegance and whimsy, allowing you to channel your inner retro fashionista. While Mary Jane footwear is often associated with everyday comfort, they can also make a delightful addition to special occasion outfits. Opt for Mary Janes with elegant embellishments such as lace, sequins, or pearls to add a touch of sophistication to your formal attire. Pair them with a cocktail dress or a floor-length gown for a unique and charming look. The combination of comfort and style will ensure you can dance the night away with grace and ease. When selecting your perfect pair of Mary Jane shoes, consider factors such as material, heel height, and strap design. Look for shoes made from high-quality materials that offer both durability and breathability, ensuring your feet stay comfortable throughout the day. Consider your preferred heel height, from flats to low heels, and choose a style that complements your outfit and suits the occasion. Experiment with different strap designs, from single to double straps, to find the one that enhances the overall look and provides the perfect fit. When it comes to accessorizing with Mary Jane shoes, keep it simple and let the shoes take center stage. Opt for delicate jewelry, such as a dainty necklace or stud earrings, to complement the feminine aesthetic. Pair them with a structured handbag or a clutch that complements the color palette of your outfit. Remember, Mary Janes are versatile and can be styled with both casual and dressier accessories. Mary Jane footwear is a stylish and comfortable choice that effortlessly combines fashion and functionality. Their enduring appeal, versatility, and retro charm make them a beloved choice for fashion enthusiasts worldwide. Embrace the joy of Mary Jane shoes and enjoy the comfort they provide while expressing your personal style. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of comfortable Mary Jane footwear. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration.